Sounded like a little pike. I thought so. Nice muskie. There we go. There's a decent bass. Oh, he choked it. He came off the bottom. He choked it. That's a good one.
Got your scale out?
I do have my scale. I do have the scale. He's pretty. His back fin's pretty messed up, but. I got one. I got it. I got us. No, I got us. It's a tiny guy. A little 12-incher. What are we doing, camping?
Yeah, who would have thought? See, this is what I came around.
Got one. Looks like a better one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Little sandbar bassin'. Sure. Right. Get it. Gator tomato. He's pretty. Here, Bassy, Bassy, Bassy. Oh, double whammy, baby. We're on them.
You got bigger fish, don't you?
A little better. Yeah, he's a chunker.
Is he over £1.5 pounds?
I'd probably say no, but this is how we get better with our estimates, right? He's got a belly on him. Ooh, that's a better one. That's a color. On your wormy worm? Nice.
Were you the one that bit earlier?
That's a good one, man.
They're fat, but they're not very long.
They're fat, very fat. Cotton Cordell? He was running upstream. I was like, woof. Come on, Willie. I think I do. I have no idea, to be honest.
Oh, yeah?
Must have.
Oh,
A decent one. He's just on my shirt. I'm good.
help?
No, I'm good. He's just on my clothes.
Oh, the hook's on that bait.
Better now. Probably a pound and a halfer. He's chunker.
Oh, white bass.
Really?
Decent one.
White bass. Okay, that's a solid one. Ooh, that's a nice one. Nice one, sir.
He's a little cold.
Oh, yeah. Barely hooked. He was out a little ways, wasn't he? There you go. Ooh, look at that black dot on his face. That's looking fish, man.
Got him?
One so far. Two. A little better. Little chunker. First cast.
Really?
As soon as it hit the water. I think so. Like, I couldn't believe what just happened. Huh. It's an all right one, yeah.
Oh, I think he might. He got a big head on it. He really does.
As soon as it hit the water, Dad. You've got to be bigger than 1.5 pounds. Yeah. Larry. This one. Solid. Before we get up in there, let's fish her out a little bit. When you get ready, you can clamp her and you can read her.
Yeah,
They're all pretty solid, similar, aren't they? Huh? Right. He's kind of a chunker. He's a chunker, but he's not very long. I got one. I think so. Who knows? Oh yeah, that's a nice molly. That's a really nice one. I got him.
Stay up here. Oh, that's a good one, Tim.
I know.
That is a heavy one.
That's a chunker. Look how pretty he is.
That is a nice one.
It's the 3-pounder. I got him. I just had to boat flip him. I'll get him. I'll get him. I'll get him. That's a chunker, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. That's a thick one. You got it?
Thanks, buddy.
Okay, we gotta get them.
He's pretty. He's a stud.
That's a good one.
He's over 3.
He is a thick fish.
Yeah, he is. That's a football. Yeah, that's one of the prettier ones I've caught. See you, buddy. Makes sense to me. He's fatty. He's not 1.6 pounds, but he's a chunker. Right next to that rock. Yeah, right next to it. I caught one on the backside of that rock. Well, I cast that little rock out of the water behind it. I cast it over top, and then I saw a splash. I'm like, I think he took it. It's a little guy. But they're buckling down. Those are the 4-pounders we need. Right? There's a good one. Good fish.
Northern or bass?
Northern.
Oh, that's a good northern.
On my football jig. I set the hook, I'm like, ooh, that's a good fish. Pretty. Wow.